How to set a custom live wallpaper in Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a free app to add animated wallpapers or even use your own videos as your desktop background. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC. In the search bar, type Lively Wallpaper. Then select the app from the search results. Click Get or Install, then wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, open Lively Wallpaper. You'll see a collection of built-in live wallpapers. Simply click on any wallpaper to apply it instantly to your desktop. If you want to use your own video as a live wallpaper, click the plus Add Wallpaper button on the right side of the app. Next, click Choose a File and select the MP4 video you want to use from your computer. You can also paste a supported video URL if you want to use an online video as your live wallpaper. After selecting your video, click Open. Then click OK to import it. Lively Wallpaper will automatically apply your video as your new animated desktop background. Minimize the app and you'll see your custom live wallpaper playing on your Windows 11 desktop. And that's it! You've successfully set a custom live wallpaper in Windows 11 using Lively Wallpaper. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials.